A fast start.
Emma enters the supermarket in a hurry. She needs food for dinner tonight, but she does not know the store well.
I need ingredients for dinner tonight, and I am late.
I can help. What do you need first?
I have a list, but I am not sure where to start.
Let's look at the list together.
Question. What will they probably do next? A. They will check Emma's shopping list. B. They will sit in the cafe. C. They will leave the supermarket. A. They will check Emma's shopping list.
Oh no, the list is torn.
I can read some words. Apples, milk, bread.
I also need cheese and tomatoes.
Good. We need a cart first.
Question. What will they probably do next? A. They will call a taxi. B. They will get a shopping cart. C. They will buy flowers first. B. They will get a shopping cart.
This cart does not move well.
The wheel is stuck. Try this one.
Thank you. This one is much better.
Great. Now we need the store map.
Question. What will they probably do next? A. They will return the good cart. B. They will look at the store map. C. They will clean the floor. B. They will look at the store map.
Fruit and vegetables are on the left.
Good. I need apples and tomatoes there.
Let's go now. The store is busy.
Okay, but I hope we find fresh ones. Fresh fruit and vegetables.
Emma and Mark arrive in the produce section. Emma wants fresh food, but some items are not easy to choose.
These apples look old.
You are right. I see a new box here.
Can we open it?
Yes, let me help you.
Question. What will they probably do next? A. They will look for fish. B. They will buy the old apples. C. They will open the new box of apples. C. They will open the new box of apples.
These apples are perfect.
Let's weigh them and print the label.
The scale says error.
Maybe we need the Apple code.
Question. What will they probably do next? A. They will turn off the lights. B. They will find the Apple code. C. They will throw the apples away. B. They will find the Apple code.
Here is the code. Now the label works.
Great. Now I need tomatoes. Why are there two prices?
One price is for organic tomatoes.
Question. What will they probably do next? A. They will choose which tomatoes to buy. B. They will ask for ice cream. C. They will leave the cart in the aisle. A. They will choose which tomatoes to buy.
I will take the regular tomatoes. They cost less.
Good choice. What is next?
Milk and cheese. They must stay cold.
Then we should go to dairy now.
The cold aisle.
Emma and Mark enter the dairy aisle. They need cold items, but Emma must check dates and choose carefully.
I need a small milk, not a big one.
The shelf looks almost empty.
Can you check the back?
Yes. Please wait here.
Question. What will Mark probably do next? A. He will take Emma to the toy aisle. B. He will check the back fridge for small milk. C. He will close the supermarket. B. He will check the back fridge for small milk.
I found 2 small cartons.
This one ends today.
The other one is fresh until Friday.
I will take the fresh one.
Question. What will they probably do next? A. They will drink the milk in the aisle. B. They will put the fresh milk in the cart. C. They will buy the milk that ends today. B. They will put the fresh milk in the cart.
The list says cheese, but not what kind.
For pasta, cheddar is easy.
Is it on sale?
Yes, but only the small pack.
Question. What will they probably do next? A. They will buy no cheese. B. They will choose the small cheddar pack. C. They will put the milk back. B. They will choose the small cheddar pack.
Milk and cheese are done. I still need bread.
The bread is near the bakery.
I hope it is not sold out.
Let's check quickly.
Bread and checkout trouble.
Emma and Mark reach the bakery area and then move toward checkout. The shopping is almost done, but small problems appear.
This is the last loaf, but the bag is open.
Do not take that one.
Is there fresh bread today?
Yes. The baker just brought some.
Question. What will they probably do next? A. They will get a fresh loaf from the bakery. B. They will buy the open loaf. C. They will forget the bread. A. They will get a fresh loaf from the bakery.
This bread smells great.
Nice. Let's check your list.
Apples, tomatoes, milk, cheese, bread. Done.
Then we can go to checkout.
Question. What will they probably do next? A. They will return all the food. B. They will look for shoes. C. They will go to the checkout area. C. They will go to the checkout area.
Oh no, this checkout is closing.
We can use self-checkout.
I am not good with those machines.
I will help you scan everything.
Question. What will they probably do next? A. They will go back to the bakery. B. They will use a self-checkout machine. C. They will wait at the closed checkout. B. They will use a self-checkout machine.
The bread is not scanning.
Fresh bread needs a code.
Can you enter it for me?
Yes, but then you must check the price.
The final surprise.
At self-checkout, Emma and Mark solve the last problems. Emma is close to finishing her shopping, but the total price brings one more surprise.
The bread code works now.
Good, but the total looks high.
Do you have a loyalty card?
Yes, but I forgot to scan it.
Question. What will they probably do next? A. They will buy a new cart. B. They will cancel all the food. C. They will scan Emma's loyalty card. C. They will scan Emma's loyalty card.
The card scanned. Did the price change?
Yes. You saved £3.
Great. Now I can buy one small extra thing.
What extra thing do you need?
Question. What will Emma probably remember next? A. She will remember she needs more milk. B. She will remember she needs a bicycle. C. She will remember she needs candles for dinner. C. She will remember she needs candles for dinner.
I forgot candles for the table.
There are small candles here.
Perfect. They are not expensive.
Scan them, and then you can pay.
Question. What will they probably do next? A. Emma will scan the candles and pay. B. Emma will put the candles in the fridge. C. Mark will eat the tomatoes. A. Emma will scan the candles and pay.
I paid, and I have everything now.
Great. You are ready for dinner.
Thank you, Mark. You saved my evening.
You are welcome. Enjoy your dinner.